First, let the hazelnut cream chocolate soften, then pipe it onto a freezer bag tray and place it in the freezer until firm. Use it for the inside of the cookies later. Pour the clarified butter into a glass container and add the clarified solid oil. For the clarification process, refer to the description. Then add the powdered sugar and brown powdered sugar, and mix with an electric mixer for 10 minutes until creamy and fluffy. Add the first egg and mix for 30 seconds, then scrape down the sides of the bowl and bring the mixture back to the center and mix again. Add the second egg and vanilla extract and mix for another 30 seconds. Then add room temperature breakfast cream and honey, and mix well. Gradually add the sifted flour and baking powder in stages and mix with a spatula. Finally, add the chopped chocolates and mix. Cover the dough and refrigerate for 1 hour. After this time, take 35 grams portions of dough, flatten them with your hands, place a frozen chocolate in the center, and roll them into balls. Place them spaced apart on a greased baking sheet, then press chopped walnuts onto the cookies so that they don't separate from the cookies after baking. Place the remaining dough in the refrigerator to keep it from softening while preparing the second batch to bake. Place the tray in the top rack of a preheated gas oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Make sure the heat comes from the bottom to prevent cracking. After 15 minutes, remove from the oven and let cool. Once cooled, store in a freezer bag in an airtight container to prevent them from drying out. Enjoy!